Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lina Pavlova. Did you ever have this feeling that you have a closet full of clothes but nothing to wear? If you have said that, you're not alone. I love to lay out all the old clothes I have bought or received, and I think of a way I could transfer them. I could spend all day just going through old clothes and finding new use for it. So I decided to do a refashion project every Wednesday. Refashioning is about taking old unwanted pieces of clothes and giving them new life. It's about pulling these clothes from the back of your closet that you never wear. I am on a mission to create the ultimate upcycle wardrobe, one project at a time. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell.